Hello everyone, welcome to LoharTalk, and in this video I will show you how you can create a ripple effect button using only HTML and CSS. So at the end of tutorial you will know how you can create this kind of ripple effect using only HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So guys, I have created two files. One is index.html and one is style.css. And in index, I have only one button element and I have added one ripple class. And guys, for a live update, I'm using this live server. So whenever I change something, it will automatically change in the server. So if I save it, so if you see, I'm not refreshing it. Okay, so back to normal. So first I will give CSS to this button. So I will give directly to the button tag. So button, and here first I will give border as none, and let's give border radius as, let's say, 2 pixel, and padding, let's say top bottom will be 12 pixel, and left and right will be 18 pixel, and font size around 16 pixel, and text transformation will be uppercase, and cursor will be pointer, and background color, sorry, background color will be, I'm providing like light blue. So I remember the color code, but you can give anything you want. So 2196 F3, and I will give little bit box shadow. Horizontal spread 0 and vertical 0, and blurriness 4 pixel, and color will be 999, and let's outline will be none. So let's save it. Yep. So I can give color to white. Perfect. So yeah, now we have just given the CSS to the button, and now we will provide a ripple effect. Ripple effect, as in what we basically do, we create one gradient image at the center of this button, and we will try to expand it using transition property. This is the way we can create the ripple effect without JavaScript. So let's first provide CSS to the ripple class, which I have added to this button. Okay, and here what I will do, I just make the background position at center, so that the animation will be from the center, means the ripple effect will be initiated from the center, and transition on the background, and time will be zero point 0.8 seconds. Okay, so let's just save it. Okay guys, now I will provide hover effect for this button. But before going to this hover effect, I would like to show you how we use a radial gradient image. Okay, so I have an example. So here we are using a background image as a radial gradient as a color. So here is like in which direction it propagate. This is in circle, and here you can provide any colors, like infinite color what you want. Like if you see in the circle you have a red, and when you go outer it's yellow and then green. So this is, we can provide a gradient image for a background color. So here you can also provide a percentage for color, like if you want red should be 5%, and yellow should be 10%, and the rest is green. So here you can see, you can provide likewise. So we will use this property. So if you see, I will also use a background size. Okay, so here if I use a background size, let's say 100%, then I think you won't see any effect for that. But if I use like around 1500 15,000, then you see only the green color. And if you remember, we have provided a background position as a center. So now you will see the only the red color. So if you visualize it, we have expanded the image to the 15,000 times with respect to the original one. So this will help in this ripple effect thing. So let's use it in our hover effect. So here, so dot ripple hover, and here what we will do, we will make background color to like hash 47 A7 F5. So if you just save it and see, the background color is changing like in transition. Okay. Now I will provide background image as a radial gradient, and here I will use circle, and the initial color will be the transparent, and the amount will be 1% only, and the rest will again some light blue color, hash 47 A7F5. So if you see, I'm using the same this as a background color and as inside the image. Okay, I'm saving it. If you see here, you won't be able to identify this color. If you make it to the red, you might identify. So see, this is what we are doing. The initial color is transparent, the 1%, which is showing the transparent color, which is the original one, blue one, and the rest is the red color. But here we will use the same color which we are using. Okay, and make it again to 1%, and I will provide a background position as center. Okay, and I will use background size as 15,000%. So now what we are doing, when we hover on this button, we are adding one gradient image with background size 15,000. Okay, I will show you why we did that. Now I will add active effect. When you click the button, there will be one CSS property applied to the button. So dot ripple dot active. Okay, so when you just click on that, I will make the transition of background as 0. Okay, and I will make the background color to hash 6E B9 F7. Okay, and I will make now background position as 100%. Okay, so let's just check. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see, the ripple effect is coming from the center of this button. So basically what we are doing, on hover effect, we are adding this image to the button and making the size to the 15,000. And when someone just click on it, the background size will be 100. But if you see the transition, it's happening so fast we cannot see. So when, but still we are on the button, so the hover effect will be applied. Like just when you click it, the transition is 0, so it back to the hover effect. And in hover effect we made the background size is 15,000%. So when you click it, this background image is going from like very tiny to the 15,000%. So it's, emitting the ripple effect to our button. So this is the, basic concept behind how you create the ripple effect using CSS only. So that's it for this tutorial. Guys, if you have any doubt, please comment below, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.